ऐसे लोगों के लिए जब आपने ये रोल नंबर्स, your admit card, roll number we have already mentioned, given you knowledge. Now today we are giving you the
Sharma ji, to please come over here and say few words.
should not be in my family, he should be from other family. किसी
good time, आपको relaxing time मिलेगा. It's very difficult to get good job. You have to work hard, but after that you will enjoy. वो starting enjoy.
हो वो पिछाड़े हो जा
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words. On your last day in this school, I don't want to say goodbye and don't want to be sad because I know that someday I will be meeting you. मैदान
aim for 100%, aim for even bigger, aim for civil services, have the best careers and you have the best careers in front of you. Make sure you prove your worth here and we will be very, very, very proud to host you in our school as the guest for our next function. Achieve whatever you want to achieve. Once you have achieved that status, contact your teachers, they will contact you, tell them, sir, we want to be the alumni, we are the proud alumni of Shiksha Niketan. We want to come here as a guest and we want to further motivate our juniors. Have this thing in mind, make sure all your future endeavors, you put every effort.
कागज की तरह फाड़ देते हैं. जीवन नगर शिक्षा निकेतन के स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे वीर हैं, जहां जाते हैं वहां झंडे गाड़ देते हैं. We are proud to be Shiksha Niketan and we know that our seniors will carry forward the same legacy of brilliant result and make our institute even more prouder than before.
मैडम ने RMPS की one of the best coordinator. May you all shine like stars in the sky. All the best. गुरप्रीत मैडम, आज की डेट भी डाली है इन्होंने 23/3/21. मास्टर है ना, डेट जरूर डालता है. आगे लिखा हुआ है बच्चे सुषमा मैडम ने, ये पुष्प वाटिका इंचार्ज. नाउ शी हैज
आज कंपटीशन बहुत ज्यादा है. इस 9th and 11th को करें ना, you will enjoy your life. If you got an opportunity between IIT, NIT, or even in GCT or this Mother Vaishnavi College.
Of activity. While seeing this flower, it look like it's a natural flower or it made by some very expert persons. Just like this, farewell party has been written, Shiksha Niketan has been written here. Number of things are displaying here. It is just like alive. And the main thing is, today we are remembering those three souls.
Background का क्या होता है? Even if you wait for a year to get a good college, what is the benefit? You don't have to wait for 4 or 5 years after completion of your college to get a good job. तो मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है, यहाँ से पढ़े, इससे बेटर स्कूल आपको मिलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि माई नेफ्यू इज आल्सो स्टडीइंग इन 5th क्लास. तो वो शादी था, तो उनका बड़ा ब्रदर का बड़ा बेटा वो आर्मी स्कूल सतवारी में है. तो हमने कहा कहाँ पे, हमारे टाइम एक ही क्लिक किया कि शिक्षक को तो भेजना चाहिए. This example why I am putting in front of you, because we are very, very lucky to have school like this.
Before welcoming our worthy alumni from Shiksha Niketan High School, Gandhinagar, I want to congratulate all my dear children who have done this decoration first, along with their guide. I never use the word teacher because guide is such.
You have some resemblance. But coming back to this occasion, congratulations for being you are going to graduate from the school. Best of luck. Never think that you are going out of the school. Think the bond between you and the school is going to change after your board exams. Previously you were the student and the institution. Now it's going to be the alumni and the institution. And like Hari sir said, that in our every function over here, whenever we are having our guests, they are
The confidence which he has, it is somewhat, no doubt, it is somewhat God-given, but somewhat created by own self also. Everything is not God-given, bache. One has to create within, with his own confidence, with his own concentration, with his own or her that hard labor. So I want to again congratulate him for his good life. The way he give us thanks, the way he give us thanks from God also.
वहाँ पे डॉक्टर साहब हैं जिनको मैंने फेस रिकॉग्नाइज किया। तो इससे पहले मैंने एमबीएस कॉलेज में एज ए लेक्चरर भी काम किया, जीसीडी में भी किया। तो 13 साल पहले आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी के साथ ही साथ चाय का कप लेंगे, यहाँ पे जीवन में सर आए थे, तो सर ने बहुत ऑनर दिया था, अच्छा लगा था। मेरा फाइनली यही कहूँगा कि वर्क हार्ड। वी यूज्ड टू स्लीप ओनली फॉर 2.5 hours. This is in a 10th, not in 11th. I work hard after 9th, 10th. 8th तक मैं मस्त पता होगा. Then I never give back. I got a gold medal from a college, university में mechanical में. उसका prospect होता है. I am marathon. I am a part of Jammu Runner Course, बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है हमारा रनिंग का. They started running and a marathon sailing state. I complete 4. सबसे पहले जो स्टार्ट करने से पहले ये बताऊंगा इट्स एन ऑनर फॉर मी टू बी हियर। हमारा टाइम था, आई कंप्लीटेड माय टाइम इन ईयर 1995। हमारे टाइम पे सर के सामने खड़ा होना वेरी डिफिकल्ट था। सर सामने देखते था, सामने स्टैंड नहीं कर पाते। अभी वही है, हमें सर देखते हैं। हमें जब इन्होंने बोला कि एज अ चीफ गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, तो मैंने सर को बोला सर आई एम नॉट सो कॉन्फिडेंट और यू कैन से एट अ पोजीशन टू बी हियर फॉर एज अ चीफ गेस्ट। फिर मैं कहा चलो कोशिश करेंगे सर के साथ करने की। It's an honor. What I achieved is not an honor. What I got today is an honor. To be parallel with the principal. You are lucky. Principal sir का जो flexibility या ये देख रहे हैं ना, हमारे टाइम पे stiffness होती थी, flexibility होती थी. We tried a lot, but I have never seen a school or a college or an institute like this. You have quite energetic environment here. I served as a principal ITA Jammu, principal ITA Hiranagar. I started my journey as a superintendent there in Samba in the year 2010. Before that, I worked in defense services. I also got an opportunity.
करके सामने आते हैं, तो हमें इनसे सीखना है। एक मैं आज टीचर देख रहा था बात, हम गेट पे खड़े थे, एक अपनी बाप की गाड़ी लेकर 4 दफा उसने मेरा ख्याल राउंड लगाया। ओ भाई, शो ऑफ करना है, अपनी पहचान को शो ऑफ करो, नॉट योर फादर्स इनकम। शो ऑफ होता है इफ यू विल बिकम फर्स्ट पोजीशन होल्डर इन द बोर्ड और इफ यू अचीव समथिंग गुड, वो शो ऑफ करो। उस चीज का क्या है जो इमटीरियल, ये आज गाड़ी है, कल स्कूटर भी नहीं रहेगा, फिर क्या करोगे? राजा बोध और गंगू तेली कभी बनते देर नहीं लगती, सुना हुआ है आपने? यू मस्ट हैव रेड दैट स्टोरी इन योर मिडिल क्लासेस और हाई क्लासेस, कि हरिश्चंद्र राजा को क्या करना पड़ा और छोटे से छोटा इंसान क्या नहीं बन सकता। तो इसलिए कमल की तरह बनो बच्चे, नॉट लाइक दोस्त। वो अपने बाप की गाड़ी दिखा रहा था, किसको? सभी कह रहे थे देख कैसा कर रहा है, वो खुश हो रहा था, हो आई एम। जैसे वो ऊपर घोंसला बना के लोग बनते हैं, देख कैसा पागल जा रहा है, पर वो खुश होता, देखो लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं। ये नहीं सोचता वो कि साथ में लोग मुझे क्या कह रहे हैं। कोई इसको अच्छाई नहीं समझता, नाइदर योर पेरेंट्स, पर उनकी मजबूरी है, कंपल्शन है, मैं कह सकता हूं। नॉट दिस सोसाइटी रिस्पेक्ट यू इन दैट वे। आप जिनसे सीखते हो ना बच्चे, आप देखते हो हीरोज को, आप देखते हो आगे बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज को, उनको इसके लिए पैसा मिलता है, टू हैव दोज थिंग्स। आपको क्या मिलता है? यू कैन इजिली इमेजिन। तो इसके लिए मैं पहले +2 के जो दोनों इंचार्ज हैं वो मेरे सामने आएंगे। आइए जी, मिस्टर शेयर माई चाइल्ड to whom I am giving this guideline, he or she should be on the top of this. So while seeing this handmade decoration from gate back to gate, hasta la vista, vista, it's a word which says goodbye. But we are not going to say you goodbye. We want to say you always welcome. My young child says today is a last day for you people. It's not a last day. It's a beginning of your future. Because this class is very, very precious also and important also. Precious.
It is a proud moment for them also. The product that they have nurtured, they have achieved something great in life. Whereas you have your juniors wishing you. I don't think so. You need anyone else wishing you for your exams. You have very, very good juniors, and they were speaking from their heart. They were not speaking कि वो रट्टा मारा हुआ तो बोल रहे थे, but I was seeing the girl, especially she was wishing the teachers with the full heart, and she was wishing you also with full heart. So undoubtedly, best of luck for your future, best of luck for your board exams, and we will also not forget you, and we expect you also not to forget us.
You are in a field which has number of doors. You have to choose one door for your future. Generally, student thinks कि after qualifying +2, we will choose the door. Those people will never fulfill their aim. If you have aim in front of you, then you can choose any door in front of you, and you will certainly achieve that. We are here in +2, more than 680 or 90, touching 700 children. My worthy guest has given this statement that they want good result from this institution. But we want quality result from you. It is not the marks which matter. It is the quality which we give you. It is the values which we give you. And the main thing is education with value. Education should not be only for marks. Education should be for your future value also. We are lacking in value-oriented education. But I want that these bones or hands, they must give this type of knowledge to all the society for value-oriented education. This is again a value that we are not inviting any politicians or any such type of person which may have good face in front of society. But we generally invite those personalities here which are a source of inspiration for us also. A child is in front of you. It's very fact that up to 98 or 99, this principle is entirely changed. He must have seen his hand like this, and he can easily see my face in this hand. Because at that time there is a very good relation between teacher, child means student, and their parents. Parents love to give value-oriented education to their children. Not education like this. Today I am seeing that within 2-3 days they have grown again. वो घोंसला. What is this, बच्चे? Life is yours. First achieve your aim. Then you may do any damn thing. Nobody will pinpoint you. First your aim should be there. When you achieve that aim, then you will love to have good things. I will give you live example here. You know him? Yes, sir. His daughter is student from nursery to 12th class in this institution. She got second position in science +2. ये नहीं कि सर की बेटी कहते जनरली वो इसे ये सर की बेटी है, जब प्रिंसिपल का बेटा तो फर्स्ट आ गया. बोर्ड में उनके लिए मिस्टर हरीश और रमेश्वर मैंगी हैज नथिंग टू डू विद देम. It is the paper or it is the answer which matters. She got second position in 12th class, science stream. She has a aim in front of her. She wants to be a doctor. Then she worked hard for NEET, selected in NEET, and now she is doing MBBS in Rajouri College, Government College, Rajouri. A live example is there, bachche. If you are working, if you are work with dedication, with concentration, nothing is impossible. It is not the money which matters. It is the labor. It is your dedication, your hard work. It is your concentration. And above all, it is your self-confidence. Ki I will. If you have that confidence, self-confidence, then you can achieve any damn thing. If you won't have that confidence, you will not achieve. You must have that type of will. Whenever I talk to her, because she has grown in front of me. When she was a child, a very small child, I see her there also. And now a grown-up girl, I see her there. And see the confidence which she has. And confidence comes not from his father, to be very frank. That is from her mother. He is always busy with giving education to others. Every year he is giving education to not less than 400 to 500 children. And send that children to the market for further future. But her mother, his wife, she is fully dedicated towards that child. And that is the reason. So it is now your job to be there, so that anybody can give some good example of yours also. Amit sir has already given you this information. We have already got first position number of times, first position in arts, previous year also. First position in commerce number of times. But still, being a science in charge, both are science HODs, chemistry HOD and Mr. Rana is physics HOD. Both are main in charge, but still some problem is there. We are not achieving that main goal, main aim, that is of